Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Temu to Shopify step by step. So this is a simple process and it only takes a few steps to get started. So first, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the left hand menu, click apps. And once the app section opens, use the search bar and type Temu. After searching, Temu should appear in the search suggestions. So simply tap on it to open the app page. So once you open Temu, you'll be taken to the download page, and from here, click install to add Temu to your Shopify store. And then Shopify may then take you through the installation process. So just follow the instructions shown on your screen. After the installation is complete, open Temu and go through the setup. Configure the required options and connect your accounts by following the steps provided inside the app. So once the setup is finished, Temu will now be connected to your Shopify store and you're ready to start using the integration. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.